So one of the best benefits that people are getting from this pitch is they come to rent this place, as in hiring. They pay for it and they are able to train. So from behind me you can see a team called Basa Kids. They are being trained by former Accra House of Folk player called Bobby Shorts. He also played Mighty Victory. So he's the one coaching them now. And you can see this park is really benefiting the kids a lot, and it's really transforming lives here. Imagine if we all had gotten this in our early days, in our childhood, it would have helped. So this is what I want to share with you guys. So enjoy the training.
Felix Obinamba. I'm the president, CEO, founder of Basa Kids.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long has Basa Kids?
Basa Kids has been since 2010.
Okay.
We are in 10, and we are now in the GFU, CAF and FIFA. We are the defense champions of the U17, U15, and U13. And this year too, we are in competition to win the league.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Power player. Don't have a player to back. Up player by ball, or after ball anything. Oh, you football it, one ball. If one would tap.
Oh, Ubeji Jotego. She may be in Bobby Shorts, former class of ex-blaster player.
We can be a toner, a modern ball there.
Oh, improvement, Baba. Just if you to my time.
Okay.
On a academy training different from program training. Number 20 to 30 minutes. Now, I'm a long time. She go one. I'm a talent. Baba, nothing about it.
Don't forget a pitcher and one night. It's a number about.
Oh, well, I'm calling my good. What do you politics aside? Can you want time? When any of the you show the point. What improve? I want to start speed. Actually, so pitch and one so far. It was again.
Actually, I saw your kids training. What do you have to say about their training?
In fact, I believe in grassroots football.
Okay.
To start from the scratch. So all our players, we pick them from this age, and we make sure we give them training. Like when we're at school, we don't have enough time to train, but we want to combine education and football. So Tuesday from 2:30 to 4:30, they train the U10 and 13 trains on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and early Sunday morning. Sunday morning, they get enough time to train. So we are very serious with them.
Okay.
To give them the rudiments of the game.
How do you see juvenile football in the country?
Juvenile football, Ghana. Juvenile football is always the backbone of every football nation. But unfortunately, Ghana, we don't regard juvenile football. We don't give much attention. The support is not coming. Like our team, we have to pay, do everything. Football, TNT, everywhere. Even our league matches, we do everything. The GFA is not supporting us. The way they support. You see, this year, for instance, last year we were paying referee fee, but this year they just said there's no referee fee, but give us catch the young referees. But I'll tell you to be frank, Ghana is not serious with juvenile football. Most of attention is shifted to the academies, the foreign based academies here. But juvenile football in Ghana, coast football, to me. They say this revival. I don't see the revival of coast football in Ghana. See, okay. That's why Ghana Black Star is not performing well, because juvenile has been neglected.
Okay.
go ball and over. No, Oshabi and any. Make more track on the Bama ball anything. We are no track. I don't have a ball and we are no track. Huh? You got control ball and you can say, can you try? The ball and you are. Come on.
You know what I can follow me? Maybe travel.
Follow now maybe travel. Football and only money. Only jele misani. You want to catch ebi na keka travel. Alo football only money. Kek beke ye talent ni bo follow okele o shambe bole. Okek beke ye talent le sani onyo allow le no push because be no onyo push o me kona me aso no your university books me believe that football on be an eskani yo me is enough I get obi e share go feel if I take care of when you feel like I said yes she no fear no Solomon because only was it call big for your future just get Solomon like one more fair years again no fear no about feel
In your own way, what are the steps that you are taking to make an impact with the juvenile football in the country?
Yeah, that is actually we have to be grateful to the government for giving us AstroTurf. In fact, in a way, it's helping to develop. But I'm saying we don't have money, but we are trying, sacrificing to give these boys to help give them a future. So I can say that with our little resources and effort, we are trying. Because as a kids, for instance, for the past 12 years, all the players we have a player in Wafa, Razak Simpson in Wafa, some of them in Division 1. We have Badamastego, Bobby Short Sand. They all came from the scratch here. So we are trying to, help.
Will you say this AstroTurf, Stephen Appiah Stadium AstroTurf is been a great help?
It's an immense help because ball control is very good. In fact, it gives the boys a sort of morale. So to be frank with you, we are most grateful to the government for giving us this AstroTurf, which if it's maintained well, it's going to help promote Ghana football.
Okay, so in case maybe someone wants to locate you and your team, in case of sponsorship, any help, where can you be located?
We are based in Mamprobi. This is our home ground.
Okay.
The AstroTurf our home ground. When you come to Mamprobi, get school, you ask of Basa Kids. We are here. By grace, very soon our name will change.
Okay.
Because Accra Lions, they have some sort of passion for this team and they want to come and help. So they are coming in to help. So very soon they will adopt this team and our name is likely to change to Young Lions FC.
Okay.
So when the time comes, I will tell you.
Okay.
So that we are known as Basa Kids because we have made a trademark.
Okay.
We did that for the past 12 years. When it comes to Accra, Ghana, Basa Kids, juvenile football, we are a force to reckon with.
Okay.
No school, no football. No school, no football. Total football and good morals. Total football and good morals.
That's not the. Are you on social? Is the team on social media?
Yeah, we are on Facebook. You know, we are on Instagram. You know, YouTube.
What's the name?
FC Barca Kids.
FC Barca Kids Ghana. All right, thank you so much. But your final words?
Final words. We also thank you. The media also plays a great role. Okay, so Nicho, no fear, Nicho, Nicho, job with Pierre, she be Pierre, and if you try, we here, about new way, she look at that will feel and know here to more doom. Or Nai, whatever that should be, get it in advertising and promoting football. So we want to say thank you very much. We always welcome. If you want anything, come to us. We're going to help.
Any advice to parents?
The advice to parents is that, you see, when they come to education, they understand education, but football they don't. When school opens, the parents will go to school, they'll give them a form, you know, buy this, buy book, buy so and so, pay ladies. When it comes to football, you say the parents will tell you that the coach, I coach coach hey booty humble, coach hey ball humble, coach they don't encourage the boys to. So we say that we surely make sure that the parents also come in, because when you go to the Europe, parents pay for their work to be, you know, trained. But in Africa, Ghana to be precise, that thing is not there. They don't understand football. So all parents should help, because Samajam went to Accra Academy, but it's football that have made him what he is today. So parents should come in help.
Okay.
Wow, oh, welcome on what? Wow, no chocolate. That's a lot toy.
I can't boot my boot. Yes, I can't boot my boot. Oh, yes, you go. Opa. Hello, Pastor. Bobby. Okay.